In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Goodday. Setting up recurring tasks is a great way to save time and make sure important work never slips through the cracks. Instead of manually recreating the same task every day, week, or month, you can let Goodday handle it automatically in the background. First, start by opening your Goodday workspace and navigating to the project or list where your task lives. Look through your task list and select the task that you want to turn into a recurring one. This might be something like a weekly report, a monthly review, or any activity that happens on a regular basis. Click on that task to open its detailed view. This is important because the recurring options are available inside the task itself, not from the general project view. Once the task window is open, look for the three dots menu, usually located near the top right corner of the task panel. This icon often represents more options or actions in many tools, and Goodday works the same way. Click on those three dots to reveal additional actions you can perform on this task. In the menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Make Recurring. This is the feature that will convert your single task into a repeating task. When you click it, Goodday will open a new panel or dialog where you can set up the recurring pattern. Now it's time to fill in the details. Here, you'll typically be able to choose how often the task should repeat, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or on specific days of the week. Take a moment to think about your real schedule and choose the frequency that matches it. You may also see options for start dates, end dates, and how many occurrences you want. If you're not sure how long you'll need this task, you can usually leave the end open so it continues until you decide to change it later. Double check the timing and any other settings so that new tasks appear when you actually need them. When you're happy with all of the recurring settings, click on the Create button to confirm. Goodday will now save this configuration and automatically generate new tasks according to the schedule you just defined. From this point on, you can manage these tasks like any other, but you won't need to recreate them manually. And that's all it takes to create recurring tasks in Goodday.